Hi, my name is Lauren, and this is my son Lawrence, and I feel that there's a lack of poetry on social media, and so maybe it's because people don't know how to do poetry, and so I'm going to help people figure it out. And the first thing you need to do is find a topic, and my son is going to have three topics. And I'm gonna have three topics. But what do you want to do?
Celebration, party, and
Splits. Okay, and then mine is gonna be like love because it's February, and community and origins. So let's see. Party or community and celebration are kind of like two things that we can work together with. So you want to do that?
Sure.
Will that be our subject? Okay, so that's how you, I guess, decide on what you're going to do a poem about. And then you need to understand why you're doing this poem. So what do we want to get across? What message? So with community, I want people to understand belonging and roots. What do you like about celebration?
It's fun.
Fun. Anything else?
No.
Okay. So I guess the next thing to do would be just to come up with the first sentence. Do you have any ideas? No? Okay. Okay, celebrations are a great way for community. So then we would need to find something that rhymes with community. And there's this rhyming website called the Rhyme Zone. And the thing with poems is there's really no rules. It just has to look right and sound right, I guess. Okay, so on this page, the most logical things to be talked about would be equal opportunity and unity. So our first, I keep doing that. Why do I keep doing that? Our first line, celebrations are a great way for community. So that is 13 counts. I don't know what the real word is for that, but I just count them on my finger, every syllable. Okay, so something ending in either opportunity or unity. So celebrations are a great way for community. How about weaving togetherness through unity? Weaving togetherness through unity. That's only 10. Okay, so we have to add 3 more counts. Weaving togetherness throughout. Now we have to have 2 more. No. Weaving togetherness, building unity. Weaving togetherness and building unity. That's only 12. where you weave togetherness and build, where you weave togetherness and build unity. And we build, we'll just say one unity. Okay. So then we can either do another sentence that rhymes with unity, or we can pick up a new word. What do you want to do? Maybe we should talk about why celebrations are important. So why is one reason celebrations are important?
Feel good about each other.
Celebrations connect one with the other. Celebrations connect one with the other. We need two more. With, how about we say, with family and others. And now we need something that rhymes with others. Others is not a very good word to be using, and I keep doing that. Okay. So we got to get rid of, how about family? Let's see if family is a good word that rhymes. Nope, that's not a good word either. Okay, so when you come up with a word that's not being very rhyme friendly, then you have to come up with synonyms. Make this a little bit bigger. So, tribe. Tribe might be a good one. Let's see if tribe has a lot of prescribe. What is the difference between prescribe and proscribe? Prescribe, advise and authorize the use of no. Proscribe is forbidden. Oh, that's not good. Subscribe. Let's subscribe. Arrange to receive something regularly, typically a publication. Okay, we can make that work. Subscribe. Ah! I will stop doing that. Okay. Family and tribe. Celebrations connect one. Celebrations connect. Celebrations connect one with family and tribe. Perfect. Passing down wisdoms to which one must subscribe. Passing down wisdoms to which one must subscribe. How about to understand and subscribe? Oops. Passing down wisdoms to understand and subscribe. Okay, I just need an extra 2 there. Okay, so we'll just make this an 8-sentence poem. A time for learning your ancestors' roots. A time for learning your ancestors' roots. We need 3 more words in that, or 3 more counts. Is a, gives us another one, is a time for learning, ancestors' roots. Learning ancestors, origins, and roots. Is a time for learning ancestors or origins and roots. Whenever I have just like one count, so is a time for learning ancestors, origins. I only have one syllable or finger left for a word, so I just use the semicolon because it's the easiest. So let's see what rhymes with roots. Attributes, that's attributes. What does constitute mean? Constitutes is a good one. I hate how I keep doing that. The time for learning ancestors' roots. It's because it's important to learn. Wait, what does constitute mean again? Be a part of a whole. Important to learn. Important to belong to a constitute. How about 2 constitutes? Because it's important to belong to constitutes. That's correct. All right, we just need 2 more. The reason celebrations are the key. The reason celebrations are the key. And tool is because they are fun and nothing is really okay. We're gonna have to find it. Ah, my goodness. Oh my goodness. Hold on. Let's see what rhymes with key, because we can switch tools and keys. Oh my gosh, where the heck did the internet go? Oh, there we go. Key. Lots and lots and lots of words. Okay. Free. Free is a great word. Why did you smirk? So we'll just switch these 2. How many minutes is this? Oh. Is because they are fun and, oh, what did we decide on?
Free.
And time to be free. I had a pause, but